In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload vehicle photos to your inventory. I'm going to go to Inventory Manager and add Edit Vehicles. I have this vehicle here that doesn't have any images, so I could just click on this image icon here, or if I was already in the vehicle editor, just go up to Manage Photos. I'm just going to click Upload New Photo here. Always remember when you're taking photos to do it in landscape and not portrait mode. So I'm just going to hit Add Files, select all these images, and hit Start Upload. Now I have all my images here. I can just drag and drop to rearrange. If I want to get rid of one, just hit the X. You can also select multiple photos to edit. Delete them that way. Or you could select all. If you want to preview a photo, hit the magnifying glass icon. If I go back to my vehicle now, you can see I've got my images here. And that's all for this tutorial.